Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use edit text, text view and button to create an Android application. So let's start. To create a new project, click on new project. Select an empty activity. Give the name of activity as per your requirement and as per your choice. Click on finish. After initialization of Android Studio, you will get this GUI ID of Android Studio. After Gradle building, you will get the directory structure over here. Once you get the directory structure, you simply go to the layout file and design your GUI first. So I go to the resource folder and layout, select the activity main.xml. You will get the GUI design view. Here you need to design your app GUI and then you go for the coding part. So to design an app GUI, use your palette and use your controls and design the GUI. So here basically we are going to see addition application, addition of two number using the edit text and button. So for that we require the two edit text. Take that edit text control from the text palette, drag and drop first. So here you need to set the constraint of this edit text first. So I just setting the constraint for this edit text. I just resize the GUI. So this is the first edit text. Then select second edit text. Set the constraint of this edit text as well, as per your requirement and choice. So this is your second edit text. We already have a text view. This text view we can use for the display the result. And finally we require one button. So I take the button. So this is the button. So now we already done with all the controls. Just need to doing some properties assignment and all those things. So let's start with that. So first of all, edit text. Go to the attribute. First of all, assign the ID for this edit text. I choose EDT1 and then text. Click on refactor, no problem. Just text, keep it as a blank. For second edit text as well, I change the property of second edit text is EDT2 and text I kept blank. For edit text, we have to set another one property which is called as a hint. So search for a hint property and set the hint property here. I set enter first number. So what is hint property? Hint property suggests the purpose of that particular edit text. It appears in a gray color. Once you click on that particular control, it gets disappear. For second control also set the hint property. We mention here enter second number. Clear the text of text view and clear all warnings by fixing the problems. It's as good as just clicking and fixing the problem. Set the constraint or button. These are some warnings. You just simply click on warning and click on fix button. It gets fixes automatically. Very simple task. So now you are completed with the designing part. See here, there is no warning. Now you have to do the coding. So to do coding, go to the main activity to Java, main activity.java file. First of all, declare all the components. So we use toEdit text. For toEdit text, I just create two objects, ed1 and ed2. Then object for TextView, tv1. You can create object as per your choice. Keep them as a public, so you can access them easily anywhere, or private as per your choice, no problem. Once you complete declaration of all the component in class, you can initialize them in a create. So to initialize all the component, use the code with object. For edit text, I just wrote the code like this: edit text, find view by id, r.id dot edt1. So this is initialization of edit text 1. Same way, the initialization of edit text 2 is very simple. Just follow the process. r.id.edt2. This is the initialization of toEdit text, and finally initialization of TextView as well. So tv1 is equal to TextView and view by id r.id.tv r.id.TextView. So this is initialization of toEdit text and 1TextView. We forgot to declare and initialize the button, so we can declare O here as well, no problem. So button bt is equal to button and view by id r.id.button. So like this way you can initialize and declare all the components. Once you completed with the declaration and initialization, next part is to implement the click event. So we can implement a click event on button. When we press button, we will get the addition of 2 numbers entered in the edit text into the text box. So to implement event click event on the button, we simply use code like this: bt dot set on click listener. This is the set on click listener we have to implement on the button, and for this we implement view. So this is your code. So simply now you created the on click listener event and write the code. So for code, I declare one variable as an integer x and get the value from edit text 1 into the x variable. So this is the code edt1 dot ed1 because ed1 is object. ed1 dot get text method is there to take input from the edit text. So this way you can take input from edit text 1 into the variable x. Same way we can take the input from edit text 2 into y variable. .getText.toString. So now you are completed with the input. Just directly perform the addition and display into the text view. So to display addition into text view, we use the text view object, which is tv1 dot set text method is there to set the output into the text view. Here addition equal to, what is addition? Just concatenate that addition like this, x plus y. That's it. So by this way you can simply create your addition application using. So here you are completed all the coding part. So now simply you have to run the application into emulator or otherwise physical devices, you will get your output. So to run the application, choose emulator and click on run button. Just wait till the Gradle build is completed. Okay, deployment of application is completed. See here, just test the application by entering values. I just enter 9 plus 9 and click on addition button. You will get the result. See, this is the addition is equal to 18. So like this way you can create a simple application of addition using Android Studio and using TextView button and edit text. Thank you for watching.